Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I'm at Kingston RC Raceway for Mini Z March Madness. We're going out next in the B main of Superstock, that's also known as AAA Superstock. I'm going to be running my new MR04LM, and that's the Mazda 787B body. I've been doing very well with this today. I'm currently qualified in first in the B main. Unfortunately, no bump ups. Purple front springs. I've got a box stock hard front tire, which is really surprising that I can do that. 20 on the rear, and but I do have an oil-filled, an oil top shock, as well as a greased disc damper. And on the bottom, I've got the mid carbon T-plate and some weights, 6 grams worth of weights. The car handles quite well. I also went up to the 8-tooth pinion for here. Normally I run a 7-tooth pinion. This is Hobby Hideaway. I'm sorry, I race every Wednesday at Hobby Hideaway with this car. Anyway, we're going to go out first in B main. Coming up next, Superstock. I forgot to say the crazy mishap that happened today, which is I normally wear my radio with the lanyard. The lanyard clip broke. The Noble smashed onto the concrete floor head first. So the Noble fell, so the clip broke, radio fell, smashed head first onto the concrete floor. Thankfully the screen is okay, but the battery clip base shattered around the plastic surround. Apparently that's a common issue if they take an impact. So I've got the parts, but I don't know if it'll ever be the same again. So these two parts here are what holds on this battery base to the radio. So this still works, but I can't actually pick it up anymore. Once it clicks in, you pick it up, it just comes right out, right? I can still put it on here to charge the battery that's in the hand grip. I'm able to use the radio like this because there's a battery in the hand grip that runs the radio. This one is purely just to recharge the internal battery, as well as it works as a battery bank too. But there's nothing wrong with this. Actually, what breaks is the little plastic surround in the grip of the handle. So see if I can get some parts for that. If not, I might end up upgrading to the MB Plus because I finally broke a part on my Noble. But I'm able to use it today. We're going to see if we can win this B main with the broken radio. All right, here we go. AAA Superstock B main. I'll be starting from pole position. We'll see if we can hold on to it. All right, here we go. Practice laps with the Superstock. This car's been feeling great today. I'm going to be trying to stay quiet so I don't distract my other drivers once the race starts. This is a B main in a trophy race, so I want to make sure I don't distract anyone too bad. Whoa!
AAA B main. The order will be John, Steve, Brandon, Stephen, Justin, and Rowan.
Steve L for 2 or...
Okay, I'm going to stage up. Straight's closed. I'm going to stage up.
All right, let's line them up, guys.
Good luck, everybody.
Good luck to you. First. You? You? Right on. Oh, you're Steve L.
Yes.
Right on. Good luck to you, sir.
You can't see it when it's there. Just pin it, it'll be fine. You're going to come out on the left side of the middle tile.
First corner wins.
Always.
All right. You guys ready? Less than 5.
Very.
Oh, hit. There.
Ah, stuck.
That's why I hate this spot when
In the first couple corners, let's find our group and get her on.
That was my own fault. I got stuck on the wall. Whoa. Oh, nice move. Oh.
Oh, shit. Sorry, Justin. Oh, good.
I might be in last already.
The order is first place Brandon, followed by Justin, Lauren, Steve, John, and Steven. Fast laps, Brandon has an 8.7, Justin 8.9, Lauren 9.2, Steve L 9.0.
I think I'm back up in the 2 now.
Oh! He's driving a green car. The leader.
I think I'm in the lead now.
All right, we now have John in the lead, followed by Steve, Brandon, Justin, Lauren, Steven.
And leader, Steve.
I'm trying to get laps done.
Okay. Oh.
I don't know what color the leader car is.
That's me, orange and green.
Orange and green?
Steve L, Brandon, Lauren,
Yeah, you're waiting.
Justin.
No, it's all right. It was the other Steve.
I don't think my transponder is down.
Oh, there. That might have been you getting the lead. Whoa! What's the order now, please?
Steve, John, Justin, Brandon, Steven, Lauren.
I did not want to know the order.
40
Whoa.
seconds.
I don't know who's in the lead.
Steve L to John, 2.5 seconds. John to Justin, 13 seconds. 10 seconds.
Who's the orange car? Is that John?
No. Well, I'm orange and green, but I don't see you, so I think you got it. You're 3 corners ahead. Oh, jeez. Is it over or are we still going?
31,504. John, 31,508.
It's over. You got it. Good job.
Oh,
Justin,
I did.
Yeah, you were 3 or 4 corners ahead with like 30 seconds ago.
I thought I was chasing you. I thought you were the leader.
I was, and then we flip-flop. I hit the wall, you snuck by, and then you held first for the last maybe 10 laps.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
race 10, AAA Superstock A main.
Someone like this.
All right.
Brad Stubber, John, Derek, Bruce, Brad Halstead, and Dean.
All right. right, that's a second place finish in a super stock. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. If you're new here, subscribe. You want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. Did okay, but I crashed.